Hello, my name is Liliana Gomez. In the English course, I will present the following sentence. Number 1. Let's see who is speaking today. Mary's sister loves sipping juice. Frank speaking about horse chocolate. Tom, zebra, and Dick, snake are unusual. Let zigzag on the ice wheel filling skates. The candidate's speech sounds false. Thousand saw Shakira show. Her face saw a nice meal. Wendy's sister likes sauces. The Cyclops said these cheeses stinks. Oh, only, open, over, okay, ocean, owner, oh dear, alone, no, truth, Trump, Joan, Sun, Quad, Come, Go, No, Show, True, Grow, Flow, Tomato, Potato. And the following sentence: Phone Joan at home. Don't go to the true sonnets. Easy snow on grows. You joy a phone call. My nose and through hers. Joy grows tomato and potatoes. Don't go to the show alone. Somebody has a son might come. Thank you.